Are you looking for the best toaster oven? In this video we will look at some of the best toaster oven on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. KitchenAid KCO211BM. With this oven's performance, plus the famed KitchenAid brand name, we did not expect its price to be so reasonable. It toasted a single slice to evenly brown perfection in less than 2 minutes, and 6 slices, with plenty of space between them, in less than 4 minutes. A half dozen cookies baked beautifully and evenly, and broiling evenly melted a slice of cheese, toasting the bread beneath without burning either one. The large LED display and 9 built-in functions were easy to use, especially paired with the extremely detailed and thorough instruction manual. If there were any issues with this model, it was that the temperature control was a little off. At the highest setting of 450 degrees, it only managed to get to 432 on our oven thermometer. The oven's internal thermometer said it was preheated after 4 minutes, at 315 degrees by our measurement. And when toasting 6 slices at once, the pieces closest to the back corners of the machine were a bit lighter than the rest. None of this was serious enough to really interfere with cooking, though it was the most consistent of the toast that we tested. They actually would recommend setting your toast doneness a little lighter than you're looking for to avoid overcooking. Number 2. Black+Decker for Slice Toaster Oven to 1313 SBD. This Spartan toaster might not have a lot of bells and whistles, but it's quite affordable and performed extremely well at the exact thing that's in its name, toasting for slices of bread. This is pretty much exactly what you want a toaster to do. It had very even browning. Its small capacity makes the whole unit quite compact, though it has space for a 9-inch pizza, with a pizza oven-like dome shape to help it cook hot and evenly. The controls on this toaster are very simple, which is to say they probably haven't changed much since the 1980s. There are 3 knobs, one for temperature, one for a 30-minute timer /toast color selector, and one for cooking mode, bake, broil, toast, or keep warm. That doesn't affect performance, though, as our lab tests got impressive, even results with toast, cookies, and broiled cheese on toast. Cleaning is also easy, with removable racks and crumb tray. Number 3. Instant Omni Plus. There are lots of toaster oven models with air fryer capacity, but the Instant Omni Plus goes way past that, with settings for dehydrating, baking, roasting, and even a built-in rotating rotisserie for kebabs, a whole chicken, pork tenderloin, and more. Despite all those capabilities, the controls are foolproof, with a bright display and simple dial that we found easy to use without even needing to refer to the instruction manual. The 19-quart capacity of this oven will fit a 4-pound chicken in rotisserie mode, and we had no trouble toasting 6 slices of bread, baking 9 cookies, or air-frying a full bag of French fries at once. Even with that large size, it heated up quickly, reaching 450 degrees within 7 minutes and fully toasting bread in 5. It held its temperature accurately and cooked fairly evenly, though we did notice a bit of a hot spot toward the front middle of the oven. Number 4. Ninja SP101. Maybe you're in charge of French fries for a large household with a small kitchen. Maybe you're running an underground avocado toast restaurant. Maybe you just have really low-set cabinets. No matter why you need lots of cooking capacity crammed into an efficient space, this Ninja might be the model for you. The wide but flat toaster was made to flip up on its side when not in use so it can tuck away in a corner, cabinet, or even sink backsplash or drawer. That unique layout didn't interfere with performance in our tests, in which it was able to bake 9 cookies and toast 9 slices of bread in short order. Ninja also says the oven can fit a 13-inch pizza or 6 chicken breasts. We did find some uneven spots in the toast test, with the front of the oven being the hottest and the back corner being the coolest. They also noted that the preset modes tended to cook things a little longer than necessary, so keep an eye on your breads. Number 5. Cuisinart TOA-60. Air frying has become popular. There's no better way to cook mess-free crispy wings or potato wedges, but standalone air fryers take up valuable counter space. This combination air fryer / toaster oven takes up less space than either one would on its own, and it may just be worthy of a permanent place in your kitchen. We weren't exactly air frying experts when we loaded this machine with French fries, but we followed the included directions: cook for 6 minutes, shake, and cook for 6 minutes more, and got perfect results. This model is roomy both horizontally and vertically, so it can handle up to 6 slices of toast or a 12-inch pizza, as well as a whole chicken or 3 pounds of wings. Much like with the air frying test, it passed our toast tests with flying colors, but it didn't do such a great job with cookies, overbaking them. We found that it runs quite hot on bake mode, which isn't necessarily a fatal flaw, but it is something you'll have to get used to.